Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get pictures on Polybuzz AI. Here's how. Images can't be generated from character conversations, but you can create them through the image generator on the left side of the screen or while building a character. Start by clicking the Generate Image option on the left panel. In the prompt field, type whatever concept or character you want, then customize it by selecting a style. Let's say urban. You can also add details like poses, accessories, lighting. Let's go with subtle backlighting and even a setting like a classroom. Once ready, click Generate Image. To view your creations, head to the Gallery tab where all generated images are saved. If you're not happy with the result, just hit Regenerate for a new version, and that's how to get custom visuals in Polybuzz. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.